Hello dear students, as in previous lecture we have studied functions of management. We have studied 5 functions of management, but actually there are 6 functions of management. The sixth very important function of management is coordination. So in this lecture we will study about the topic coordination. Generally, the meaning of coordination is to maintain harmonious relationship between different parts. Here we are talking about business management. So here coordination is required to carry out the functions performed by different departments of the business smoothly, because all functions of different departments are interrelated with each other. They should be channelized into the direction of achieving single organizational goal. So there must be synchronization, harmonious relationship between all departments, and that is performed by the coordination. So, in the context of business units, coordination is an orderly arrangement of group efforts to maintain harmony among individual efforts towards the accomplishment of common goals of an organization. It is the common thread that runs through all functional activities such as finance, production, purchase, and marketing. Every business organization is divided into a number of departments, and each department has a number of groups and individuals. Harmonization of activities of different groups and individuals is known as coordination. So, what is the meaning? The act or state of coordinating or of being coordinated is coordination. Proper order or maintained relationship between different departments in a business unit. It is a harmonious combination or interaction as of functions or parts. The organization of the different element of a complex body or activity so as to enable them to work together effectively. Coordination is a managerial function in which different activities of the business are properly adjusted and interlinked. On the basis of this explanation, we can say that there are certain elements of coordination that are synchronization, integration, balancing. Balancing means to integrate the activities and efforts of different departments. That means to maintain balance between the functions of all departments, so together they can achieve the single organizational goal, common organizational goal. Third one, timing. Timing means scheduling of all the activities so that they can be completed within time limit. It leads to completion of every activity on time and absence of interruption in any operating process. Now, let's discuss feature of coordination. So, coordination is the essence of management because coordination is required at all the levels. Top level management requires coordination in order to unify the efforts of all the individuals in one common direction and integrate all the activities of the organization. Whereas middle level management requires coordination to maintain a balance between various activities of different departments in order to ensure that all work in a common direction as a part of one single unit. Whereas lower level management also requires coordination in order to integrate the efforts of workers towards accomplishment of organizational objectives. Coordination is a managerial responsibility. Every manager is required to perform the function of coordination. So it is the responsibility of all managers on top level management and middle level management. Third one is deliberate function. Coordination is a deliberate function. The activity of the organization are coordinated in order to avoid chaos and confusion in the organization. In the absence of coordination, the efforts of the individuals cannot be integrated, as a result of which every manager has to deliberately perform the coordination function. Coordination is a continuous process. Coordination is not a one time function, but its need is felt at every step. Coordination is something which must go on all the times in the organization. It is involved in every managerial function. It begins at planning stage and continues till controlling. So we can say that coordination is implicit in all functions of management. One more important characteristic of coordination is all pervasive. That means it is universal function. Coordination is required in all types of organizations and at all levels of management. Coordination helps to synchronize the activities of different departments like production, purchase, sales in the business organization. In the absence of coordination, at every level there is a state of chaos instead of harmony and integration of activities. Come up to the next topic, that is need and importance of coordination. Coordination is important as it integrated the efforts of individual, department and specialist. The primary reason for coordination is that individual departments in an organization are working together and they need coordination amongst them. That means they need to maintain harmonious relationship amongst them. Need of coordination arise because of the following reason. Growth in size. The need of coordination increases with the increase in the size of the organization, because in large organization there are more number of persons working. Each individual has different interest, way of working, objective of working and tolerance, etc. However, all these persons have to work together as a group despite these differences, which is not a very easy task. Therefore, it becomes essential to integrate individual and group goals through coordination. As organization also increase, they may work for cross purpose. So coordination is needed to integrate their efforts and activities. That is to bring unity of action. Next, functional differentiation. All the activities of an organization are frequently divided into several departments performing specialized functions like production, financing, marketing, procurement, public relations, HR, etc. It often leads to clash of interest between the various departments. Therefore, coordination is needed to ensure unity of action by acting as a binding force between departments and to avoid conflicts between them. All departments have their own objective, policies, strategies, etc. So they may arise conflicts between them. That's why coordination is very essential. Next one, facilitate specialization. Division and subdivision of work into specialized functions and departments lead to diversity of tasks and lack of uniformity. The heads of various departments focus on their own functions with little regard to other functions. Coordination synchronizes the diverse and specialized activities of different units to create unity in the amongst the diversity. Specialization will not yield desired results unless specialized efforts are effectively integrated. Coordination becomes mandatory when division of labor is inevitable. In modern organization, there is high degree of specialization arising out of reflect the complexity of modern technology and the diversity of tasks to be performed. So organization employ a number of specialists who think that they only from other members, which lead to conflicts between them. Some other important points are it also minimizes conflicts. In an organization, conflicts may arise between management and workers. Human nature is such that a person does not want to get involved in the activities of others and emphasize his own area of interest. Coordination avoids potential source of conflicts. All right.